If you're looking to make your first few sales with affiliate marketing but have no prior experience or knowledge, this video is absolutely perfect for you. I've discovered a brand new method that not a lot of people are talking about in order to make money literally from day one. This video doesn't require CPA marketing, email marketing, or any other type of marketing. That includes a lot of traffic. I've been testing this method for over 2 weeks now, and I can successfully say that this thing actually works. I know making money online is rather complicated, but this video is going to make it seem a lot more simple once you get your first result taking all these steps. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So with affiliate marketing, there are two different ways people go around promoting these links to people. The first one is promoting it to cold traffic, meaning people that aren't really interested in a product, but you're trying your best to convince them to actually purchase from you. And for the more smarter affiliate marketers out there, they're using warm traffic, aka people that are already interested in the product or about to purchase this product. A lot of people underestimate warm traffic because they think you have to pay hundreds of dollars to get in front of these people's eyes or have millions of views on YouTube or TikTok in order to actually be seen by these people. But the truth is, all you need is a few hundred people on your targeted keyword in order to make your first sale. You won't have to test thousands of dollars on ad spend, you won't have to show your face on camera, and you will be able to see results in the next 24 hours if you do everything correctly in this video. So for the first step on what you want to do is figure out exactly what product you want to sell to people. The reason why I love affiliate marketing so much is because you don't have to have a physical inventory, you don't have to create a sales page or any other thing. All the website does is sell for you, and all you have to do is just find people that are already interested. So what we're going to do is hop over to capterra.com. All right, so for Capterra, this is a website that shows you every single online software. We're going to be able to use this website in our advantage in order to find software that has low competition keywords or not that many customers in general, so we can do one of the two options. The first option is to simply use the software in some type of YouTube video or any other tutorial out there where people are wanting to know what that product is because it's not been talked about a lot. But for the method that we're going to be using today, we're going to find a software that already has a little bit of traffic, but not that many people searching up on the Google form and seeing an ad right in front of them. That's exactly where we're going to come in. All right, so as you can see on the software categories, what you want to do is select one of the 5 right here, or you can click browse all. So once you're right here, it's going to show you a literal A to Z list on every single software out there. Now, this isn't even a software list or name. All you can do is click, and then it's going to show you an entire list on every single one for this type of topic that you chose. So literally, there are thousands of results on here that you can pick from. What I personally recommend to you is to find a software that you currently use yourself or are planning on using, or something that you generally think will actually benefit people. Because if we're pitching a product to someone that doesn't even want to use it and you're just trying to convince them to buy it, there's literally not a reason for them to stay on it, which means they're going to sign off later and you lose your commission. Personally, for me, I like email marketing, so what we're going to do is choose email marketing software right here, and then we just got to wait a second. It's going to show every single one. So we have Salesforce, Intercom, SaaS, Engage. So there are a whole bunch of different options right here. So for me, what I'm simply going to do is go right here to a monthly subscription, which means you're going to be able to get a monthly recurring commission on your affiliate sale. And then you'll also be able to do how many users this platform has. So typically I just want to choose around all 5 right here because it's going to give me products that aren't actually used by thousands of people, meaning we can probably get some good traffic to it. And the best part is, if you're worried about these softwares being brand new to the block and being absolute trash in order for you to promote with literally zero traffic, the thing is, Capterra actually makes people verify their businesses online before actually putting it on this official website. So you're getting a really good software for really low competition people. So if you found a product that you're interested in promoting, all you have to do is look at the name of this product, then simply type it in on Google. So for this, I like Sig Parser. It has only 12 reviews. Looks like a pretty good website. I already checked it out. So what you want to do is type in Sig Parser on Google. And then as you can see right here, you're probably confused on what to do after that. But as you can see right here, there is no Google AdWord actually running on this keyword, meaning that every single time someone is typing in Sig Parser, nobody here is getting the click to the Sig Parser website. So they're pretty much missing out on free money. And if there are multiple keywords for this software, all you have to do is just keep scrolling on for a new software until you find one that looks exactly like this result right here. But you're not done. All you want to do is click on the website and then wait until you can find an affiliate program down here. And as long as they have one, then you're set. All right, so it turns out that software did not actually have an affiliate program, but after 20 minutes of searching, I finally found one that really catches my attention. Before I actually show you this one, I want to simply explain to you why there are even ads that are not even that specific business. So for example, if you search up active campaign and there is an ad right here for customer.io, you're probably wondering why on earth would someone pay for that if that's not their business name? It's pretty much because those softwares are so similar to each other, they're wanting to obviously get in front of their faces, so they're paying a bunch of money because they know they're going to make it back if the customer goes through their ad. All right, so I found the software called MailRush, and as you can see, the second option right here has an affiliate program, which it did take a long time to actually find one, but I'm really impressed with this website because once you hop on here to mailrush.io, looks very good. Automated cold email outreach, course. So what you want to do is find a program that's obviously going to look good and obviously make conversions for your leads. Another thing I recommend is to find a software that offers a free 14-day trial. So as you can see, 14-day trial right here, no credit card required, and email server included. So obviously it's going to be a no-brainer for someone to sign up, especially if they're already searching for it going through your ad. So for the affiliate program right here, they have a really good highlight page right here. You can earn up to 20% recurring every single month. It's average of $200 USD payout. The cookie stays for 60 days just in case they decide to come back. They pay out monthly, PayPal. Everything is really good with this software. So what you want to do is, of course, take a look at the pricing and see exactly how much you can earn. If I'm making 20% per sale right here, $100 per month is the best performance right here. So that is around $20 per month of what I'll actually be making. And the reason I stress for you to get a 14-day free trial type of software is because people are going to typically buy the software. It's because if you're putting an ad to a software where people are already going to purchase, even though they don't know a whole lot about the software, if they decide to obviously opt out of their program and stop paying every single month, that means your commission is going to go down the drain. So what we want to do is obviously let someone in for free for 14 days to actually test it out, to get them excited and obviously want to use their product even more, so they're going to be happy to pay you every single month. The next thing you want to do is actually make sure that there's traffic running to this software itself, because if nobody's wanting to purchase, then there's literally no point in putting an ad or any content out there. So what I simply did is hop over to the main website, which is mailrush.io. Then I have this little extension, as you can see at the top right, it is called Similar Web. Once you click right here, it's going to show you exactly how much traffic this website is pulling per month, and really cool, you can obviously estimate exactly how many conversions they're getting. So MailRush right here, as you can see, it is getting 4,000 visits last month. This month they got over 13,000 visits this month, which is very cool, because meaning there's obviously some type of trend going. People are really wanting to figure out what this product is all about. So this is the perfect time for you to swoop in while everyone is searching for this product. And if you're wondering exactly how much traffic you should be typically looking for, I should say around 1,000 to 10,000 minimum is what you want to be looking for. If there's anything less than 1,000 traffic per month, it's probably not doable at all. All right, so after spending a couple minutes, I signed up for the affiliate program and they gave me my unique link right away. So this means I can literally make money as soon as I start sending people to this link. So all we gotta do right here is copy this link exactly right here, and then we'll be going over to 2 different websites. So for a lot of people out there, they have zero money to start and honestly don't really want to spend anything in the beginning, but as I personally will say, you got to spend money to make money. But for a lot of people out there, I'm just going to quickly save you some money. So what you want to do is hop over to freead1.net, and as you can see, this website is literally completely free for ads. So all you got to do is click on the category that you want to post. So service, sales / buy. Subcategory is the service that we want to do. And for the creative name or title, all we got to do is just simply put the name of what we're going to be promoting. So I have MailRush free email or free cold email marketing software. And then after that, the description, you can just simply go over to MailRush and then you can look at the little description, copy and paste that, and then you should be good. For the email, of which it's going to show you the results, all you got to do is just simply put in your email. And after you entered all your information right here, including your affiliate link, you just want to click post free ad, and then it should allow the ad for it to post. So you can see your ad has been published successfully. Congratulations. You can view it right here. So all you can do is just literally click right here. It's going to show you a quick little just preview of what it looks like, and then you'll be able to do make VIP where people can see more of it. But besides that, it shows every single thing. You can add a rating right here, just gives you a quick little thing. And then besides that, you're able to have your affiliate rank right here and hopefully make some sales. Now for a method that I personally use, I like to make YouTube videos on these type of softwares with low competition, but high ranking keywords, meaning that people are obviously wanting to purchase it. And if they have an in-depth video review of exactly what the product is about or how it'll benefit their life, then conversion rates will be a lot higher. So all we gotta do is just type in the software name. So we can do MailRush right here. We can see exactly who is searching for this. So the main YouTube channel right here is 74 subscribers. And then throughout the entire front page, it's mainly just channels reviewing this entire software. So MailRush cold email marketing. So this guy probably made a few $100s just off this one single video promoting this product. Which we can simply do is just copy the title and then reword it, literally make a video exactly for ourselves. And this is pretty much the exact method that I've been using for over 3 different softwares, testing and seeing if it actually works. And to my further surprise, this is actually a legitimate method that does work in 2022 going through 2023. Hopefully you guys found some value in this video. Definitely drop me a comment down below if you found this method to be working. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.